Welcome to this how-to video on using the EVOS M3000 Imaging System's real-time confluency algorithm to get an unbiased, accurate measurement of the confluency of your cell culture. The confluency algorithm only works when viewing in phase contrast, so we want to ensure that the phase ring matches the objective being used. In order to change the phase ring, rotate the turret located behind the condenser. Then you're going to want to enable the transmitted light channel and adjust your brightness and focus until your sample is visible. To enable the real-time confluency algorithm, tap the confluency button located on the bottom right of the screen. This tells you that 57% of this field of view is covered in cells. As you move the vessel around the stage, the value will update in real time so you could get an idea of the entire confluency for the sample you are working with. Now, if you want to see what the system is seeing as it's calculating the confluency, you could tap on the pencil icon next to the confluency percentage and enable the mask. As you move the sample around the stage, you can see the mask update in real time. If this mask doesn't quite look right, you could adjust the sensitivity. A lower sensitivity will make the mask fit tighter around your cells, while a higher sensitivity will make the mask looser. If the mask still doesn't quite fit the cells, you could further improve it through adjusting the brightness of the system. Increasing the brightness will make the mask looser, while decreasing the brightness will make it tighter around your cells. If you capture an image with the confluency algorithm enabled, it will save the confluency percentage to the metadata of that image. So if we were to view the image in the gallery, we could see the confluency reported with that image. If you were to export this image, you have the option to export the confluency CSV file. That will give you the file name as well as the confluency percentage associated with that image.